Increase your production with the all-new patented Helix Dart Bypass Plunger. This unique, patented plunger technology provides the most robust and longest-lasting dart in class. Let's see how it works. The spiral body of the plunger provides even wear and deviation, while the clutch assembly provides relief for solids to pass through and prevents prematurely locking up. Once the plunger reaches the bottom, the Helix clutch mechanism engages. The contoured dart of the plunger moves upward. The Helix clutch fits snugly around its body and the valve closes. Its design and unibody construction make it reliable, durable, consistent, and able to operate effectively in a variety of challenging environments. It's resistant to sand, high temperatures, and compatible with a wide array of chemical treatments. The stress-relieving contours of the dart body eliminate tension in the open and closed positions. This significantly extends the life of the clutch by not putting it in constant friction at all times of operation. Using the Helix Dart Plunger allows you to increase the production for existing wells and significantly extend the period of their use. We're always looking for innovative ways to help our customers make better wells. Contact us to learn more.